Hey guys, in this video we're going to solve Canva app not opening problem today. First of all, let's go to the Play Store and search for Canva app. If you have already installed the app and is not loading properly, you may uninstall it, so we'll install it again. Now tap on install. If you're facing this problem with the website instead of the app, what you can do is tap on the navigation bar, and now you can switch your Wi-Fi connection from Wi-Fi to cellular data, or what you can do is, if you don't have cell data, just turn on your airplane mode, and after some 10 to 15 seconds you can again turn it off and try again with the Wi-Fi. Or this may be problem with your Wi-Fi internet connection speed. If it is too low, then the server or website may not load, and that is why you may be facing the problem. But if it is with the app, let's get back to the video. As you can see, the app is already installed. Now if you are facing the problem again, what we will do is hold on the Canva app for some time and we'll go to the app info. For that, tap on the I button here. Now scroll down a bit, tap on storage, and what we will do is we'll tap on clear case and we'll tap on clear data. What it will do is it will fix any bugs or some glitches with the app, so this may solve your problem. Thank you for watching the video.